everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, we are talking about Gomora Mzansi Magic. The secret she was supposed to go with to her grave is revealed. The ladies had a conversation with her unborn child where she told her she is the one who killed Langa. She actually wanted Mom Sonto because she killed her brother. Unfortunately guys, Melusi had all the conversation and the ladies is in trouble. Melusi will go back to Tati's arms and Ntokozo will be pushed to his old life. John will use him as London's replacement. We are back to square one. By the look of things guys, Gladys will lose her child after a physical fight with Tati. The teasers reveal that the Dlamini'S will suffer a devastating loss and I assume it will be Gladys' baby. The two women drives Melusi crazy guys, but I think he loves Tati more than Gladys. He was forced by a baby to be with Gladys. Now that the baby is normal, his true colors will be revealed. There won't be peace in the Dlamini household. Guys, before I end this video, who do you think is good enough for Melusi between the two women? Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.